Dear children, today we have to learn in standard 8 subject social science chapter number 4. The name of the chapter is, dear children, how the trader become the ruler. What is the name of the chapter? How the trader become the ruler. And dear children, we learn the revision part 1. Today we have to learn first of all about a write a note on the subsidiary alliance system. Today we have to learn a note on the which part we have to learn about the subsidiary alliance system. When the Lord Wellesley, what happened to dear children? When the Lord Wellesley became the Governor General of the India, there was a tough competition between English and the French established the power in India. What happened then? At that time, both the European nations, both European nations, England and France, both have tough competition into the India for establish their power rule into the India. Lord Wellesley made a plan to expand the British rule in India and defeat the French. And that's why what happened that year, children? Lord Wellesley made a prepare one plan to expand the British rule into the India and defeat the French. So dear children, here I have written that Lord Wellesley made a plan to expand the British rule into the India and defeat the French. This plan was called the subsidiary alliance policy or alliance system. Whatever the plan prepared by the Lord Wellesley, it is also called as a subsidiary alliance system. Dear children, here one question is also the asked that who prepared the subsidiary alliance plan or system. Then you have to write down that Lord Wellesley prepared the subsidiary alliance system. Now, under this system, company undertook the responsibility of protecting the rules of the princely state who accept to join the system. Now, as per preparing the plan by Lord Wellesley of the subsidiary alliance, the work of this plan that under this system that the company undertook the responsibility of protecting the rulers of the princely state and who accept to join the system. The ruler had to keep the permanent British army in their kingdom. Now what happened then? According to this plan, the ruler had to keep the permanent British army into their kingdom. The ruler also had to bear all the expenses of the British army. Means who pay the whole expenses of the British army? The ruler pay the whole expenses of the British army. If not, then the ruler had to give away some of their region to the Britishers so that Britishers could collect the revenue from this region and manage the expenses of the British army. Now what happened then? If the ruler not paying the expenses of the British army, then ruler give some regions to the Britishers so that Britishers could collect the revenue from this region and manage the expenses of the British army. The ruler could not fight a war or sign with the treaty with other ruler without the permission of the British. Dear children, this is the important word. According to the subsidiary alliance system, the ruler could not fight a war or sign a treaty with other ruler without a permission of the British. The ruler also had to keep a British agent in a court so that the British could come to know about the states happening. Thus, a British army and the representative were taken care of the cost of the Indian rulers. Now, who are the victim of this system? The Nizam of the Hyderabad was the first victim of the subsidiary alliance system. And this is the important question here, children. Be remember, who was the first victim of the subsidiary alliance? The Nizam of the Hyderabad was the first victim of the subsidiary alliance system. Nizam has to fight with the Maratha, in which he incurred the heavy losses. Hence, he adopted the Wellesley plan to run their kingdom. Later, the Maratha fought among themselves after the death of Nana Fadnavis. Hence, one by one, Maratha also adopted the subsidiary system alliance prepared by the Wellesley. Afterwards, the state of Mysore, Ayodhya, Tanjore, Karnataka, also the victim of this system. Which are the state of victim of the subsidiary alliance system? Mysore, Ayodhya, Tanjore, Karnataka. These all are the places of the state. They are the victim of the subsidiary alliance system. The state, some other state like Gorakhpur, Farrukhabad also went through the same order. The state of Tipu Sultan was already under the British rule, so it is also accepted the subsidiary alliance system. Other states and the people that become the victim of the subsidiary alliance were Jodhpur, Gaikwad of the Vadodara, Peshwa of Pune, Sindhya of the Gwalior. Thus, within the span of the 7 years, dear children, what happened that within the span of the how many years? For the 7 years, Wellesley expanded the company rule in the great extent and made it the supreme power in the India. Who made the British supreme power of the India? Then we can say that Lord Wellesley prepared the subsidiary alliance policy by helping. Due to the use of subsidiary alliance policy, now British within the 7 years, Wellesley expanded the company into the great extent and the supreme power into the India. Next one here, children, that explain how did the British expand their rule in whole India. What happened here, children? Next one, explain that how the British expand the rule in whole India. After the Nizam of the Mysore, the chief of the Marathas surrendered to the British ruler. What happened then? After the Nizam of the Mysore and the chief of Marathas surrendered to the British rule, the British planned to extend their rule towards the northern India. Now what happened that now British planned to extend their rule into the North India. First of all, the British entered into the friendship treaty with Nepal to avoid any threats from the Nepalians. So what happened that here? Now British entered the friendship with the treaty with the Nepal to avoid the threats from the Nepalians. The British also played the politics in the northern region of the India and captured them. What happened that here? The British also played the politics in the border region of the India and captured them. Then they developed the friendly relation with Sikh King Maharaja Ranjit Singh. What happened that here the British they have developed the friendly relationship with the Sikh King Maharaja Ranjit Singh. This allowed them to win the region of the Sindh and the Afghana, and due to that, what happened there? This allowed them to win the region of the Sindh and Afghana. Later, keeping in mind the increasing the power and the strength of the Sikh, the British tried to capture the Sikh territories. Now what happened then, dear children? Now British tried to capture the Sikh territory. However, this is not possible until Maharaja Ranjit Singh was alive. Maharaja Ranjit Singh was a strong and powerful ruler of this time. Who is the Sikh king, the powerful ruler of that time? Then dear children, Maharaja Ranjit Singh was a strong and powerful ruler of this time. He had an equally powerful army set up with the help of European officers and which protect his state very well. By attaining the victory, he had established his rule in the lords of the states. Therefore, the British maintained very friendly relationship with Ranjit Singh. Dear children, what happened there? Due to that, now British maintained the friendly relationship with the Raja Ranjit Singh. Rather, they never tried to bring his territory under this rule. The British could not succeed in interfering in the state affair of the Punjab until the Raja Ranjit Singh was alive. Britisher could not succeed in the interfering in the state affair of the Punjab until the Raja Ranjit Singh was alive. Now, but after the death of the great king of the Punjab was distorted. Thus, the British easily got a chance to bring the Sikh territory under this rule. When Sir Henry Hardinge became the Governor General of the India, he brought the Sikh region under the British rule by using the policy of the discrimination. So dear children, today the revision part 1 we learn about the subsidiary alliance system. The subsidiary alliance system was started by the Lord Wellesley. And second, we learn that how did the British expand the rule into the whole India. Thank you, dear children.